What I got right here is the front door. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run the speaker wire to the high-low converter, or LOC, line out converter. What you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to pry this up. You have to be careful. All this thing stiff. It looks easy because I took it out once. Next thing you want to do, you want to pull this thing out, the plastic. Pull that out, and then this part right here, you're gonna have to pry it out. You can use a flathead or something, it'll be okay. Right here, it'll come out like that, and you might not have to do the top, but you just pry it out the same way. Pull it out like that, and then what you're gonna see is inside of that, you're gonna see a wire, a spool of wire. Pull that wire out. Pull that out. Take a knife, a blade. I'm gonna cut that. I can't do it by one hand, so I'm gonna pause that. What you will see a white and brown white. You want to hook up the white to the red, the positive side of the speaker, and then the brown white to the negative side of the speaker. And then you're gonna run this wire all the way to the back where the amp is at. At this point, I'm gonna use a T-tab. I'm gonna put a T-tab on one side like that, and then I'm gonna take a plier and crimp it in. As you can see right here, what I'm gonna do next, I will put the speaker wire right here. I'm gonna push it through, just like so, straight out, and then go to the other side and grab this red wire, the speaker wire. Speaker wire should be here somewhere. I'll grab that. It's hard to do with one hand. Now after I grab the wire, I'm going to run it down like I'm gonna put it in here like that, shove it in like that and like that, and then I can run it to the back later. Going up to the front right here, I'm gonna put a male quick disconnect on this and then plug it on that. Now what I did, like I said earlier, the positive side of the speaker wire will go to the white, and then the black, which is the ground, going to the brown and white, the speaker wire. So I'm gonna put it all back in and then start running at the amp. I'm gonna run the speaker wire through right there, push it in, kind of hide it a little bit, you know. Got it all ran. Put it all back. Well, right now I'm gonna take white and gray together, and then white gray and black gray, white black and gray black together,